नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे। Hello my dear friends, here I am Reshma once again, welcoming all of you with a big heart filled with lots and lots of love. And now we are in a beautiful place which is called Leopard Trail. We are going towards the place. From here I guess it is like 3-4 minutes away, and on our way we were just going through, and I just came across this temple. It was so beautiful, and I just actually we crossed this place, and then I just asked the driver to come back, get back. It just this temple, it just, you can say in a positive way, haunted me. I just felt compelled to come to this temple, and it is so serene, so peaceful. There is no one around, and you can see inside the Siyaram Ji's in the mandir, and I just felt like he called me. Yeah, every morning, every day my day starts in the morning, with Siyaram Ji's what is called the chanting, the mantra, like what is called rog, what is the thing is called rog na sab kare dur, like this, and what is this? I'm actually couldn't exactly recall it. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, जो इनका नाम ले. So every morning my starts with his mantra, and I just felt compelled to come here. The place is so peaceful, so serene. I actually have done little puja also inside. There is no one in this temple, as you can see. But if someone says, everyone do have the New Year resolutions and etc. I never do have resolutions, and I never do also resolution. But one thing this year, my thing is like, I would try more to be in the path of God, and I would try more to love God. That is one of the things which is there with me. And this is something I just felt from inside. I always feel, one cannot attain God or get God or be close to God until and unless you get that calling from the heart. So this year's, it's not resolution or anything, it is the call of my heart that I would try to be more and more close to God by trying my way of righteousness, my way of love, the way he shares unconditional love. And so I would try my way to be, as I said, more loving God, and so that God also loves me more. And yeah, I really wanted to share this beautiful place with you. You can see all these beautiful dogs also. See these beautiful dogs, probably our cameraman can show you these dogs. They are all sitting, and I am the only person here. See, I always feel all of them. See, we are all creatures of God, and we have to love the animals, we have to love the nature, we have to love the peace. So this time, one of my most coveted want is peace. I want to have peace, and I would try my best to get that peace. And the peace I can have only when I can be more and more close to God. And this Siyaram Ji's temple is so beautiful. I mean, we have to do more shoots today. We haven't done shooting in the last few months. So we have to leave, but I'm just feeling like, honestly speaking, sitting here for a few more hours and just be here. No extra words I can express. So Siyaram Ji here, so beautiful, so peaceful, and while you are here, you feel, you know,
Thanks for
protected.
watching.
You feel
Please don't
blessed.
forget to
The place is so beautiful and so serene. And I don't know why none of the people come, no one is here, but I'm just loving this peace over here. And once again, I wish to Siyaram Ji ki he blesses all of us. He pour and shower his love and protection to all of us. And yes, I would try the morning thing that I do by seeing my phone. So I would try once again at the end or at the beginning to do that chant of Siyaram Ji. Na se rog hare sab pira, japat nirantar hanumat bira. So it is so peaceful. And yes, Siyaram Ji, you bless all of us, you protect all of us, and I'm sure you always are there with us. Thank you, Siyaram Ji. Thank you, Bajrang Ji. Thank you.
To these devotional songs.
Thank you.
It is available in many languages here. Thanks for watching.
Jai Siya Ram.
Please don't
Jai
forget to
Siya
subscribe
Ram.
our
Jai
channel.
Siya Ram. So yes, today with the wishes and the blessings and the protection of Bajrang Ji and Siya Ram, we are wrapping it up. Wish all of you have a good time. Thank you.